Grand Rising, beautiful light family. We're focusing on inner truth, the inner reflection of things, still refining to redefine anything that is not for us, and grounding. Make sure you get plenty of grounding today. Get out, walk barefoot on the earth. Hug a tree, sit under a tree, get plenty of sunlight. It's always essential. It's essential to move the body. It's essential to listen to your body always. We are still having the inner knowing, refinement, the peaceful reflection. The truth is revealed in the reflection, the truth. And we are really mainly focused on anything that's not serving us still. I've let go. We all have to let go at times. Let go. Let yourself be reformed into more of who you are. Gently, the gentle reflection, the gentle love showing you the way. Trusting that God is flowing you exactly where you're supposed to be. You're always right where you're supposed to be. You're not ahead of time. You're not too late. It's divine timing and divine order for your uniqueness, for your unique abilities, your unique powers, your unique strengths, because you're that amazing. Life unfolds for you. It happens to you. It happens through you, because you are the one. You are the creator of your reality. You hold your vitality sacred. You honor, love, and cherish the vessel of God that your body is, the sacred temple of Christ it is. Getting plenty of movement, plenty of rest, plenty of good foods. I am transitioning now, and I've felt it coming on like a lot of us did for years now, to more healthier liquid diet than eating food. I was mainly eating fruits and vegetables and a little bit of meat because that's what my body asked for. But everybody is on a different part of the journey based on who you are, the unique part of the divine that you are, the part you play in the role of life that you are required to, based on what you have embraced so far on this beautiful journey, and what you still need to refine and redefine. That's why it's essential to trust the divine process and be in the flow state where you know God has your back, and rest and pause as needed. Always listen to your heart, listen to your body, listen to your intuition. You already know everything you need to know. You just got to get out of your own way. Listen to your body. If it feels like it's making you upset and tense in the body, then it's not for you. If it lifts you up, it's for you. If it makes you feel lighter and brighter, it's for you. If it feels heavy and tense and makes you tense in the body, it's not for you. It's real easy to tell You know, the people especially, I mean, all you got to do is have a conversation with somebody. I know I can just have one conversation and I can tell that they're out of alignment with who I am because they are assuming things, they are forcing things. God is flow, not force. God is natural. God is simple. If they make things complicated, dramatic, try to assume things are this way and that way just because that's their view and insist it's that way regardless of what's going on, regardless of what you might express. That is not the vibe, tribe, energy. And we are seeking the best and leaving the rest in the dust where it belongs because we know we deserve to have all the beauty, love, and joy, people that love, honor, and cherish us for the beautiful souls we are as we love ourselves. It all is about self-love, self-care. It's so essential. It all starts within you. I'm sending you endless blessings of love, light, peace, joy, bliss, harmony, unity, and community. You are worthy. Stay centered. Stay focused on who you are. It's always within, never without. No fear, no doubt.